process of the small committee? Kasi
You know
dun daw yung dun daw yung insertions.
Ang proseso kasi na ginawa ko,
Okay.
kung meron, lahat ng senators, merong individual or institutional amendments.
Okay.
So yan, sinasubmit yan dun sa secretariat namin.
Okay.
And then the secretariat will coordinate with me, and both houses, yung technical working group ng lower house at saka ng Senate, will meet to reconcile those. Now, as to the existence of a small committee, I'm not really privy to that. Wala akong sinalihan na small committee or closed-door meetings
Okay.
with my counterpart in the House.
So, kung may mga illegal insertions, you wouldn't know kung saan insert ka. Or...
Alam mo, lahat naman ng mga sinasabing amendments na-ratify ng both houses during the final BICAM process.
Okay.
And as far as the Senate's amendments are concerned, it was presented and coordinated with the DBM also. They were aware of it because we wanted to make sure that this was possible in terms of the categories that were allowable to amend. Makaka-apekto ba ito sa priority infrastructure projects ng Presidente? Anong mga pwedeng gawin? Yun yung sa level na alam ko.